I am so excited about this box that I received full of things Daniel Smith has sent me. Okay, let's get over to my other camera so you can watch me open everything that's in the box. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Isn't that amazing? Can you believe it? Apron. So here we go. Oh my gosh, gifts to my plein air Austin, and then also my dot card. And I'm so excited to have these again. And all of this stuff right back here. And I've already got my apron on, and I'm so proud of it. And thank you, thank you, thank you.